Well, I'm pretty excited because my stones have started arriving from the South Island. So I had 2 arrive yesterday and 1 has just arrived, and I've got those here from Tiwai Point. I'll show you the photo before I put them in the bucket. Sorry, I didn't do an opening. But I think I might open this one. I'm not quite sure what's in here, but I know in here there's all sorts of stuff. Shotover River, Papatotara Beach. There's more Papatotara. So if you have a look in the previous video, you'll actually see me collecting all of these stones. So there's a big bag of gemstone there. Slope Point, gemstone. Yeah, and I have just washed out one of my barrels, and this one will also be washed out too. So let's have a wee look in this box I should say. I'm thinking I wrapped it up pretty well. I'm not sure what's in here, but I'm going to open it and we'll see. So in here is the Aroha stone that I collected in the South Island from the Shotover River in Queenstown. So you can actually see that hunt on my YouTube channel. One of the previous videos. It was a really good day out, really enjoyed it. And you can see we found some pretty nice stones. So I'll lay them out. And I did actually, I packed a bit of clothing in my bag, in the boxes as well. But yeah, there's some little bit of stuff in here. You can see some big Aroha and some little ones. So I wrapped them all up rather well, and also probably used up all of Chrissy, my friend's duct tape. But yeah, I'll get them all out, and I've actually got one more inside I'll have to go and grab, and I'll show you them all. So I'll wet them, and you can see they look so much better. Lovely. I really loved these greens. So yeah, there's quite a few. This one here I think will be really nice. I'm going to cut that up a little bit later. But yeah, lots of really nice green. I just liked green. Yeah. And that, if I can slice that up, will be really, really nice. You can see they're all quite different. But yeah. Very good. A lot of fun. Yeah, so once again, thank you Chrissy for hosting me on this fantastic rock hunting adventure. We had a lot of fun. But yeah, and wow. And thank you for sending them all back to me. I know they're heavy, but I hope you enjoy my video. And I also carried home in my suitcase these. So yeah, they're about 4 kg each, which made my suitcase pretty heavy. But this one actually sits on the kitchen table. My husband decided he quite liked that one, so yeah, here we are.